What's a word, Jake?
We'll be out here all night.
What's up, boys? It's Nasty Nate. I say this every night, but tonight might be the night we pull the heads off.
What it do? What up?
So we got, let's see, I just took the heat shield off of the downpipe. Downpipe is coming out next. And then most of the up pipe bolts are off on the passenger side. Driver's side I haven't touched yet. There's a lot of stuff over there. It's pissing me off. But once I get the downpipe out, up pipe's off, could be pulling heads tonight. That's the goal. It's like 7, 8 o'clock right now. So we got all night and we'll be out here. So we're on the passenger side. I'm gonna loosen the downpipe right now. It's a 15 mil right here. This is the only bolt holding it on, and it should fall out, but it probably won't, so we'll see. All right, now I think we just have to ow. Something like that. Oh, that hurt. But looks like it might be coming out. Ooh. So the trick to getting the downpipe out is beat the crap out of it. It'll come out. Whew. That's badass. All right, guys, up pipes are out. Well, they're unbolted. This valve cover's off. This valve cover's next. We're doing rocker arms and push rods next, and we might pull the heads off tonight. Be pretty cool. Keep you guys updated. Hopefully it all goes well. I didn't really have any problems with this side. Still got to get the glow plugs down there before I break one, but yeah, we'll see what happens. We got the passenger side rocker assembly off. Still got the push rods right here and the valve spring clip things. I don't know what they're called, but I'm trying to find a way to set all this stuff down and it still be organized. So probably gonna try to use a big piece of cardboard, but what I did was followed this Haynes manual. You loosen this bolt first, then number 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. I did that maybe less than a quarter turn each time until they were until I could pull them out with my finger, and that's the rocker assembly. So that's sitting right here. I tried to write pass for passenger side on the towel. I guess I have enough room for the driver's side right here. Still debating what I should do because I really want to just stay organized, and that's the main thing that I want to do right now. So I'll probably end up cleaning some stuff up and then organizing this before I actually pull everything out, because I don't want to mess any of that up. So I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to try to come up with an idea and somehow organize this, and then we'll pull all this stuff out, and I'll get some video. That should be cool. Hopefully we can pull the heads off shortly after. All right, so I think I figured out what we're gonna do. I'm going to take off, I'm gonna do passenger side, take off all the push rods in order, and the lifter bracket things. I'm sorry, that's not a lifter bracket thing, valve bracket things. And I'm gonna come over here. I laid down paper and I'm gonna write with a Sharpie, and I'm gonna do, you know, one side passenger, one side driver, and I'm just gonna do it in order with the push rods down here and then the lifter bracket things up here. So I don't know the, you know, how far apart I'm gonna put them right now, so I'm not gonna label anything just yet. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write passenger side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and go on back. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the valve bracket things. It's gonna be 1 here, 2, 3, 4, keep going back. And then I'm gonna split it and say driver side. So I'm just gonna draw a line down the middle right here and have passenger side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Driver side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. So we're gonna do that right now. And I think I got everything organized. So this is the passenger side, obviously, for all the valves, all the push rods. These were kind of rolling, so I put these towels here to stop them just in case. Then this is the driver. Those are all the push rods in order. So I think that's it for tonight. That leaves us with pulling the heads tomorrow, and that should be fun. So I'll get back with you guys in the morning and we're gonna pull the heads, and then we're sending them out, and should be a good time.
Yeah, buddy.
See you guys.